You will give me Lamborghini, I will sell, I will get earn money.
Does
What
not
you talk
matter,
about
sir.
Ambani?
It's
What do you talk about Ambani's?
Every rich person is not an Ambani.
I am not completing yet now. Social, like in a welfare to in our country. If you
Good morning to everyone. This is me today. I wanna say something. Sir said कि he is a Ambani doing that time of business. Sir, you know, don't compare. First, don't compare yourself with Ambani because he is a Asia's richest guy, and we are nothing. We are nothing to front of him.
okay.
First thing is that.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
do you know? I'm not comparing. I'm just saying that just see the concept of wedding. They are not just spending their money. Okay, they are just build their money with the help of unique concept. They are just
Sir, you know.
a lot of celebrities come in their wedding and they are just making making a relationship better, and they can also just enhancing their business sector. Okay, you can also see the Akshay Kumar also Akshay Kumar and lots of celebrity we hire to enhance our business. So they are also just they're spending their money to enhance their business. Okay, so you can't say that they are just spending their money. Okay.
Yes, from this side, guys. Who is interested? Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes.
If you are strongly have any point, then only say. Otherwise, they are beating you.
My name is Sarvoj, and I want to say just one thing. Every rich person is not an Ambani. Like Ambani, you say that Ambani is doing here. He is marrying. His son is marrying, and almost 100 and 200 crore he is spending. But he is doing that, whether he is doing or not. But every rich person is not doing the same kinds of things. They want to make their wedding memorable and remember that whole life.
Okay, first of all, I want to say sorry if you don't take. First of all, don't take serious. This is just a topic. So, firstly, I
Take it
respect
seriously.
you. I respect you. So
Take it seriously.
now I just want to give answer. You were saying कि yes, Ambani ji is making money to connect them, celebrities, right? If he's making money to connect them, then only one question from you कि Ambani, did he share his opinion with you? Did he came here?
yeah.
Did he came here to share? First of all,
Okay.
and
Okay.
how if you have no point, if he did not, first of all, one more point, if he did not invite you, if he did not invite you, then how can you say he making money to connect them? Please give answer.
Okay.
Now, what will you say about it? About his point? Yes, very
Yeah, I have. As you said that money didn't say that. So who will say that I'm just making money? Actually, they are just hiding they are just hiding to sorry. They are just doing business on the backstage of this concept. You can also see. A big actress also came, and she is also connected with their business. Okay, so they are just celebrating as well as they are enhancing their business because they have a concept. Okay, you should understand because your mind should able to understand. Okay, their business idea. If you are not understanding, it's your fault, not ours.
Okay, ma'am wanna say something. Let her speak. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first of all, I want to ask from you, sir,
Yes.
with respect, who did you say कि they are hiding something? You observe that?
They didn't.
You went there. You spent a day there.
No.
No, you were not.
First of all, they all are your relatives. So
Have you knowledge?
you know very well about them very deeply.
Okay.
Please.
Have you knowledge about passive income?
Passive income, yes, I have.
You do you know?
But you
Sir is
cannot
also,
point
wait a minute.
others.
Sir is also making passive income. Okay, wait a minute. We are enjoying. We are enjoying. Also, he is on the way of passive income also. Okay, so you can't say that only we are just spending our time. We are here to enjoy as well as to promote the our institute. Okay, so you can also pin a 2 point with one arrow. Okay.
So I am saying,
Now it's a follow up views.
Yes.
hello, my name is Piyush, but I have a problem. I am saying, what is wrong in it? If they are celebrating as well as they are running, so what is wrong in it?
Yeah, I'm also saying that's a good thing.
So tell me one reason why should we not spend money on our wedding?
Why should not spend?
Why should we not spend money on our wedding?
Because if you are in trouble, okay, after spending money, so no need to spend money to make some foolish people happy. Okay, so just be yourself, make happy and spend your money for a good thing. Okay.
Okay, I know what you talk about, but I know why are you not spend money in our wedding, because do you have no money? That's why. Okay. When
So why are you getting a loan to someone person? If I'm showing money to someone person, like thought about it, ki like if I'm showing ki like Ambani's wedding is too much higher, like 200 CR and 100 CR. If I'm getting a loan to like to show off like my relatives and all that, so why should I need about it? If I have a sufficient amount that I have, I don't want that thing. If I'm getting a loan, it's a burden for me in the future.
yeah, I know, but this is your thinking, sir. Then my thinking is that I have a money, I have a many more money, so I need to spend in a wedding and anything else. This is my matter. Is that
more
clear?
money, so you should talk. Why are you not so talk about like in a social, like in a welfare to in our country? If you have enough money, why are you wasting? The people just talk about only one night. After one night, nobody's talking about what you did.
Because I want to flex. I want to flex on my relative. I want to flex on my society. Because I have a money. Then I want
If
to.
you want to like flex in your like relatives, you want to flex it. Don't you think about like in a social welfare?
At this time in
The people
social.
will appreciate you like in a Khan sir. Khan sir did lot of things in our country.
Does
What
not
you talk
matter,
about
sir.
Ambanis?
It's-
What do you talk about monies?
Sir, I know what you talk about, but we don't need to compare Ambani. Ambani is what is this and what we are. Here people are.
Money. We are making a money because we have lots of money over there, recharge and all that, and many more facilities. Because nobody can become a millionaire in one night. If I'm making a money, if I have spent over there, like in a passive income. What is passive income? Do you know?
सर मैं तो यही कहना चाहूंगा कि जितनी चादर बड़ी चादर हो उतने ही पैर पसारने चाहिए.
Okay.
This team is gonna be, like this. Please.
Okay. I want to say something. Listen first of all. No, ma'am, how can you say that? How can you say that?
You know,
I'm supporting
they
my
all
team. I'm
have.
speaking.
You
I'm
are
not
only
developing.
speaking.
I'm
You are
not
only
developing.
speaking. No one is speaking. Why? Just because they are scared
What did he
somewhere.
say? But I'm speaking.
Yes. And from my team, everyone.
Try to
everyone is
understand.
what he did.
I'm
From-
speaking. It's an
Listen to
etiquette.
me.
It's an etiquette.
Let's.
What did he say? He said
Let's see that.
you are just
Let's
supporting
see
her.
that. He is snatching mic just because he had words. He's the one to speak.
I am not completing yet now. I have a sufficient point. That's why I'm just talking about to you. Listen first of all. First, I am not satisfied with you. I am not satisfied with you. First of all, you satisfied me. Then I'll give you to someone person.
Listen, my guys.
Yeah.
We will speak when you will stop cheering and making Allah. Okay.
Because I want to audio balance.
This is also logical point. That
Means you are making Allah. How will we speak?
Now we are quiet.
You are not
then
letting
you
us
can
speak.
speak. We are quiet.
First you need to speak, then everyone going on a silent. 1 second, everyone. When you listen, so everyone gonna silence. Okay.
yes,
So say.
So I would like to say first thing. She was saying that we spend a lot of money to enjoy. Okay, to share our feelings. Means your happiness, your enjoyment is associated with your money. That will not be remain for a lifetime. Okay. Second thing.
Guys, you guys are out of the mind. These guys are out of the mind. They're just thinking what is going on in the world like this. You just cheer. If somebody is saying something, you just cheer that person.
Okay.
You
Okay.
guys are not supporting. These guys are supporting the team member. That's the point. They are just
Once a fool said money can't buy happiness.
You know
He
what?
is listening. I am also
You
listening. but
you
the
can look our unity.
Yes. You guys are not united. One and one and all this.
Okay. Second.
We are in that state, literally. Yes, please.
Okay, second thing. You were saying that we spend a lot of money to build a relationship.
Okay.
The relationship based on the money, it's not the relationship. That will only be there until you have the money. After that, there is no relationship, nothing. You will die alone.
Yes, of course.
That's my point.
Hi, Hashriya, tell me one thing. You said that we are with money we can just buy happiness.
No, I didn't say that.
How can you not? I will gift you a red Lamborghini. Will you not accept that? It's simple. No.
But it's not buy from ourselves.
Because I know you are.
Our money is more important. Not
I know everyone
It
is
is your personal choice, but most of the
It's
people
not a
think
personal
that-
choice. Gifted does not give you happiness.
Mister, I will accept. Will you ready to take a whole expenses for whole life of this car?
We are taking money loan.
I was just setting example.
Wait a minute.
I was not saying.
No, not. Do you know? To purchase elephant it easy, but to feed and it's so expensive. Okay, if you will providing so just take a responsibility for petrol, for all this maintenance, then I will accept. Otherwise it will be a burden for me. Okay.
You will give me Lamborghini, I will sell, I will get earn money.
So it means wait a minute. It means
I will have money. That's why I will spend more money. I will get money from Lamborghini. I will spend more money on wedding.
I will never provide any Lamborghini.
But why were you
Any-
saying? Why were you
wait,
saying?
Wait a minute. Any pin, a single pin to a selfish person who will. Okay. If you.
Okay, now actually I have a thought.
Yeah.
You were saying about Ambani ji. I think so you need to read Ambani's book. First of all, just because all richest person have richest mind, and you all have no richest mind.
Yeah. Wait a minute. To spend to spend a lot of money, it's a richest.
Just because